Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete Instagram account permanently on phone. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Instagram. Once you open Instagram, you simply need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on three bars in the top right, and here you need to click on settings, and then you need to click on help, and here you need to click on help center, and then you need to click on delete account. Okay, and then you need to click on how do I delete my Instagram account, and here you need to scroll down and click on delete your account, and here you need to give the reason. So okay, and here you need to re-enter your password, and then you need to click on delete on the blue button that is showing in the bottom. So this is a process by which you can delete your Instagram account permanently. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.